Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to put this video together, the danger of match betting, just to really give everyone a reminder about what you've got to be careful of when you either start match betting or if you've been doing match betting for a short time now and started to make good profits from it. To get into this video, I need to share with you a bit of backstory about what gave me the idea to make it. So basically, the other day I was going onto YouTube to check out how many views I'd been getting here on the channel, and a video was recommended to me from a channel called Debt to Millionaire, a young guy on there called John, who started his channel about a year ago. Really good channel, if you're watching, by the way, John. And basically, he had done a video about a property training guru called Samuel Leeds, and I'd been doing some research on Samuel Leeds a while ago, probably over 2 years ago now, and I came to the conclusion that I would not be getting involved with anything Samuel Leeds was doing. It just came across, for legal reasons, I'm not saying that he does anything scammy, but to me, in my opinion, it came across as a very scammy way to get money out of people.
Tonight we investigate the so-called property training company, which promises to make its customers a fortune.
We were misled, we were missold, and he lied about his course.
But anyway, that's the story of this. That's how I found out about this John's channel. Now, the next video I saw on his channel after I pressed the like button on his Samuel Leeds video and subscribed to him was a video that he did called How I Stopped Gambling. And that, of course, got me massively interested, and I clicked on that and gave it a watch. Now, to my surprise, in that video, he talked about what got him started with gambling. So he did a bit of stock market trading and sort of going off what people were putting on forums, like what stock's going to go massive, gains and all that to the moon kind of stuff there.
For the brief time when I was 18 that I dabbled in stocks, I was getting my advice on which stocks to buy from those internet forums full of amateur traders and people just spouting off saying this stock is an absolute sure thing that it's going to 10x in price in the next few months.
Then after that, he moved on to match betting, and it was match betting, so he made £1,000 profit. I don't think he mentioned how long it took him to make £1,000, but I'm guessing probably a month or two. And after that, because he wanted to make more money, he carried on gambling. So he stopped match betting, because obviously that's not gambling. But he stopped match betting and he started gambling on sports events, and then moved on to playing roulette. If you want to check out his video, How I Stopped Gambling, I'll put a link down in the description because it is a very, very good watch. But basically, this is the whole point of this video here, because I do actually have a brother that started match betting, made not a fortune, but he made several £100s of profit, and then he lost it all because he just started gambling, sadly. I don't think he carried on gambling. He just basically saw that profit that he made from match betting as like free money. And I also have a close friend of mine, I won't say any names, but a friend of mine who did match betting as well, made several £100s again. It wasn't in the thousands, but hundreds of pounds risk-free. They then continued on and gambled it and lost everything as well. And really, that's the danger of match betting. You can get a confidence about you that the money's so easy to make, and because the money keeps flying in, and you kind of see it as like, oh my God, I'm getting all this free money here. And then you just see it as money that's just been given to you anyway. But when you think about it, that money isn't being given to you. You are trading your time for that money. Just like if you were going to a job, say as a school teacher, you would go to that job, do the teaching part of your job, and then you would get paid for it. And that's not just free money. You've had to go and work for that. Just like with match betting profits, if you did, if you spent 2 months of match betting and you made £1,000 of profit, you've taken 2 months of your life to produce that money. You've worked for it. And that money could then be invested into something. So even as simple as something like a Vanguard S&P 500 fund, and that money could then just sit there growing for you over time passively. So please, as a warning, the danger of match betting is it's, of course, bookmakers put those offers there to attract people to gamble. And not always, because, as I said at the start of the video, I started match betting, I made 27 grand from it. I've never, ever been tempted to gamble, and I've never gambled at all. I've done the video here on the channel of how I lost a few £1,000s from trying to trade oil on the commodities market there. But that was something that was just a stupid mistake. But I've never done that since either. I realized that was gambling. But yeah, I guess we've all done our own bit of gambling. But I just wanted to put this video together to really remind everyone that once you've taken that free money, really treat it as your own money and never be tempted to be placing bets without backing and laying and securing that risk-free guaranteed profit. By the way, John, if you have checked this video out, I'd be happy to get on a podcast-style video with you over on your channel if I would be invited to that. I don't know if I'm coming across as like too beggy there, but you know, I'm putting the offer out on the table there if you want to do that. I don't know. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you do want to check out some free profit guides that I've done over on the Profit Boss website, which is ways you can make money online that aren't match betting related. So something like 20 cogs where you earn money just for signing up to free trials and doing welcome offers through different companies on there. Check out that link down in the description. If you've had any value from this video, please do now take the time to press the like button. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.